Ready now.
Yeah, man, I can't believe that. The light. The light, and we just a come from party. Jamaica is not a real place. Remember me tell you, cause
Yes, sir.
we just a come from party.
Yeah.
Party we a come from.
When we party, we have no limit. We have no limit. Any sip on the black champagne, we a sip it. Yard man no have no limit.
The light,
Be alive.
sun out.
Turbo.
See the sunshine there, come on. At what time now? About after 6.
That is it.
That is it. Boy, me I tell you, master, Jamaica, don't play with Jamaicans. Party, mad. Alright, blessed morning. Boy, me I tell you, yo, last night was a blast. You know, me just a wake up almost 1:30. And me I tell you, yo, 1:30 in the afternoon. Remember me tell you, Jamaica and Jamaicans. Why I mean, I know our culture is different when it comes to party. Yo, it's been years I don't go out like so late and coming back from a party literally when the sun I go come up in the morning. Because when me did it, me have to say no, last night when me did it and you know the family link up and say yo we are going to one party. You know, Dancing Rebel did at the party to one couple of other artists, you know, in our area. And it was a good vibe. It was a good vibe, me not lie. And I say, alright, I'll go there, but me know how Jamaicans stay nowadays. You know, when them a party, they normally sleep and then wake up and go a party like 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, Jamaicans go to party. That means that them now coming back till day light. And not like foreign and some other place where you know you got a party 9 o'clock and you come back in like 12, 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, so Jamaican just ready to go a party. Me just a wake up literally almost 1:30 in the afternoon. Can you believe that? You know how long I'm gonna do that? It was a great party though. I like it. I mean, I regret it. I like it. But boy, me nah do them things so often, brother. Me nah know how my cousin them do it and me nah know how people do it, yo. For a party so often and I drink and I come in and me I tell you my cousin them and my friend them, yo, them a go a party tonight again. And them a do the same thing again and again. I mean at the holiday and everything, but yo, me can't keep up with them thing, the Bridget. Me? No, sir. Well, me admit, you know, I must hold me, I get hold. But me I tell you, even my cousin were clearly almost, what, 56, 57? Cause me and him come in this morning and them man, they are big man. And them man, they play with party. Me can't do that, Bridget. No, sir. I mean, the party night still. You know, me I go post some clips so you can see what I go on and thing and, you know, the party was good. Yeah, man, Rebel go out with the vibes and the party was nice, yo. Nice, you know. They did all the vibes and then things. Sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone and just do something different, you know. Oh yeah, man, I like the party, man. The party good, man. And I tell you, the party nice. Yeah, man, big up my family them, big up my cousin them, big up my friend them, big up, you know, the people that will go out the last night where we go do a little vibes, you know. You have to have them type of moments there. We do something different. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, the party was good. Me just a wake up, me I get up and now in the afternoon, take a shower and eat some breakfast and, you know, get the ball game rolling again. But me I hide them tonight. Nobody can find me. Me? Pick up the time, dog. Nobody can find me tonight. Oh, you're mad. They might go a party New Year's Eve or whatever that call. You know, tomorrow New Year's. Happy New Year's when it comes to everybody. And, you know, just subscribe and like the channel, share it with somebody and we'll keep growing to 2025. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself and know, say, yo, stay safe out there, enjoy yourself. you know, but don't overdo it. Yeah, man. Cause life is for the living. When you're dead, you're dead. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Big Vice represent.
Martin.